Power Query is a powerful data transformation and manipulation tool within Power BI that allows users to shape and transform data from various sources. But performing repetitive steps on multiple queries can be a tedious task, especially when the queries involve similar but separate sets of data. One of the key features to solve this issue is through reference queries, which provide flexibility, reusability, and efficiency in your data transformation process. In this video, you will learn about reference queries in Power Query and its importance in streamlining data workflows. You'll also explore best use cases for reference queries and data flows. By establishing a query reference, you can establish a connection between an existing query and a new query, enabling data flow across sequential models. Any modifications made to the original query will automatically apply to the referenced query, ensuring consistency and up-to-date information. Instead of modifying transformations individually in multiple queries, you can make updates in the master query, and those changes will be automatically applied to all reference queries. This provides cohesion and makes it easier to maintain and update your data transformations. So what are the benefits of query referencing? Let's explore some examples. First, there is reusability. By referencing queries, you can reuse common data transformations across multiple queries. This promotes consistency in your data processing and reduces the risk of errors that can occur when duplicating complex transformations. Next, there is efficiency. Reference queries eliminate the need to repeat time-consuming data transformation steps. Instead, you can leverage the results of a previously defined query, significantly improving the performance of your data workflows. Lastly, you have scalability. As your data analysis requirements grow, reference queries allows you to build modular and scalable data transformation workflows. You can create separate queries for different data sources or transformation steps and combine them as needed, providing flexibility and adaptability to changing business needs. In Power Query, you can reference a query by using the Reference option by right-clicking any query in the Queries pane. Reference will create a new query, a copy of the original query, but containing one single step. You can rename the new query as you need and then start to use it. In this way, you establish a connection between the queries, enabling data flow and transformation continuity. Let's delve into this further through a scenario. You are working as a data analyst at AdventureWorks, which recently acquired another bicycle business. Your manager, Adi O'Quinn, has assigned you the task of appending the product data from the newly acquired company to AdventureWorks' existing products. Prior to appending the new products, you need to perform several transformation tasks, such as changing column types and removing unnecessary columns. However, your manager has asked you not to modify the existing queries to preserve their original form and use them as a source for other operations. To accomplish this, you need to create references from the original queries, rename the new queries, apply necessary transformations, and then append the data. Any changes made to the base queries will impact on the new queries. This approach allows you to keep the original queries, update the reference queries, and ensure that any changes made to the base queries are reflected in the referenced ones. Query referencing creates many opportunities for advanced data transformation techniques. You can apply conditional logic, merge referenced queries, or perform calculations based on referenced data. These advanced techniques further enhance the flexibility and power of your data workflows. Referencing queries in Power Query is a fundamental concept that allows you to streamline and optimize your data transformation process. By leveraging query references, you can improve reusability, efficiency, and scalability, ultimately enhancing the overall productivity and effectiveness of your data analysis in Power BI.